let we do this question together. So in order to do this question, we have to follow the BODMAS rule. We have to follow the BODMAS. So BODMAS, the BODMAS rule, okay? We have to follow the BODMAS rule. So bracket, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction, okay? So in this question, we have to, there is a addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication, okay? So we have to multiply numbers. Before addition, we have to multiply numbers. So before due to that, 4 over 4 plus then 4 times 7, which is 28. Okay, 28. Then 4, which is equal to 4 over 4 plus 28, which is 32. So we have to put this number in lowest term, okay, which equals to divide by 4, which is 1, and 32 divided by 4, which is 8. 1 over 8, okay, sorry, 1 over 8. Therefore 4 over 4 plus 4 times 7, which is 1 over 8. Let us see another question. Question number 2. 5 over 1 plus 2 times 2. Okay, 1 plus 2 times 2. But this is the homework. This is your homework. Try this question and put your answer on the comment section. Okay, put your answer on the comment section. Thank you for listening.